Our patio doors were fitted about 17 years ago, and they were never fitted right. They had drafts coming in. And then the windows upstairs, I had problems with the two in the bedrooms. One of them had got condensation in the sealed unit, and the other one kept coming off its hinge because it was so big. So I just decided to replace them rather than repair them. So the two joiners, Willie and Marco, they were super. I mean, they came when they said they were going to come. They worked all day, never even took lunch the 2 days they were here, put lots of dust sheets down and really did a super job of cleaning up. We spend a lot of time down in this room because it's a south-facing room. So we spend a lot of time, and you can see we've got bird feeders and that, and yes, sit with the binoculars watching the birds, then we get the book out, and if something unusual turns up, we get the book out and try and identify them. The views from the back of the house are spectacular, and that was the window that I had the condensation in it, so you could never see outside really when you went up there, and the views are brilliant. So yeah, it's made, I've got children scrambling up on the toy box to look out the window now. But it all went really smoothly. Like I say, they came when they said they were coming, really efficient, really clean, you know, couldn't want for more really.